Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Friday afternoon, meteorologist Bree Sullivan. Well, we can pretty much coast into the afternoon and the wind will get us there. Taking a look at how this afternoon plays out, we are going to have a very breezy/windy afternoon, which has been par for the course. We're going to see these temperatures climb into the 50s, so a little bit warmer than what we had yesterday. And we will have some of those clouds overhead, but they are going to start to peel back to the southeast. So a little bit more sunshine off to the northwest this afternoon. Here's a look at the winds, gusting up to 30 this afternoon. They will stay breezy through the first half of the night. Might settle down just a little bit towards daybreak, but they'll be back at it tomorrow. Again, gusting up towards 30 miles per hour, but then we turn very windy as we get into the second half of the weekend. Now, as far as the second half of the weekend, we're going to be gusting upwards of 45 miles per hour, but sustain 20 to 30. It is out of the southerly direction, so our temperatures are going to soar. Do expect some records to fall by Sunday. Then as we go into the rest of that 7 days, we're going to see more wind pick up on Wednesday. It's really just kind of a breezy, windy stretch as we go through the next several days. Now through the afternoon, temperatures are going to climb into those 50s. A little bit warmer to the north today, which is a little bit unusual, but the cloud cover has been for our southern counties, so that is why. As we go into the evening, we'll start to see those clouds continue to peel off to the southeast, leaving us mostly clear overnight. Could have some patchy fog to begin the day on Saturday, but temperatures, they are mild. Our average low is in the low 20s. We're going to start off in the mid to upper 30s. Then as we get into Saturday afternoon, we're going to jump into those upper 50s, low 60s. It is going to be another windy day. We have dry vegetation, low humidity, windy conditions, warm conditions, dry conditions. What does that mean? It means don't burn. Don't burn on Saturday or Sunday. We just have that elevated fire risk. Fires can spread very quickly throughout the rest of this weekend. Now, as we go into Saturday evening, temperatures, they are still into the upper 50s. It is very mild. Temperatures do drop off overnight, but very quickly. They just kind of spark and go on Sunday morning, already into those upper 50s once again as we get to 9 a.m. Again, could be some patchy fog to begin our Sunday, but then that gives way to clear skies. We'll see those temperatures into those mid to upper 70s. Do expect records to fall in Dubuque, Waterloo, Cedar Rapids, Iowa City. All of eastern Iowa should see new records as we head into Sunday. We do have an alert day for Sunday, and that is because we're going to have those really strong wind gusts and that elevated fire danger. So just be aware that is Sunday for eastern Iowa, but really all weekend don't burn because we are going to have those windy conditions. Temperatures today are going to be in the 50s. Tomorrow we'll get in the 60s. We'll build on that on Sunday, get into those 70s. That kind of cuts us back off. We're going to see temperatures cool down. That warm front lifts through on Sunday, warming our temperatures. Do have a chance of seeing some rain, especially for our northeastern counties as we go Sunday night into Monday. But models are actually kind of getting more excited about something happening on Monday. That system with that cold front could spark off some thunderstorm activities as we get into Monday. So do expect some precip to begin the week. It is starting to trend a little bit drier, which has been just how it's gone so far these past couple weeks. As far as the first day of March, our temperatures are going to be in those mid-50s. Keep in mind, upper 30s are our average high. Windy this afternoon as those clouds just kind of clear off for the overnight hours. We'll see those temperatures drop into the mid-30s. Wind still sticking around 10 to 15. That city-by-city forecast shows the 50s to the 60s to the 70s, and then we just kind of go boop back to the 50s. Next week, a lot of 30s in the overnight hours and a lot of 50s for the daytime hours with windy conditions sprinkled throughout.